Power cuts happen frequently, particularly in some areas. Here is what to do if you notice that there's a power cut in your home and the smart battery doesn't provide your home with backup energy. Firstly, check if the rest of your neighbourhood has power. If they don't, check your local lines company website for the outages in your area. If the neighbours still have power, check your fuse box to make sure there is nothing blown. And double check that the mains power at your house is on. If you've checked these and you still have no power, please call our team on 0800 1166 55 and our team of technical experts who are available 24/7 will review your service for you. If you've experienced a flood or natural disaster where there's been flooding around the smart battery, please call our team immediately on 0800 1166 55 so we can assess this and talk you through the next steps.